The Legal Assistance Committee presents the Pro Bono Attorney of the Year Award. This award is given to an individual who has demonstrated dedication to the development and delivery of legal services to the poor, or contributed significantly toward developing innovative ways to deliver volunteer legal services. This year, the committee is making awards to two outstanding attorneys who filled a critical need of pro bono advice and representation of workers who had difficulty obtaining unemployment benefits during the pandemic. They both also volunteered additional time to advise other attorneys who faced unemployment issues for their clients. Attorney Victor Forberger is being recognized as a Pro Bono Attorney of the Year. Attorney Forberger is an attorney in solo law practice in Madison who specializes in labor and employment law. He also serves as the supervising attorney for the Unemployment Compensation Appeals Clinic at the UW Law School. Attorney Forberger provided pro bono representation to numerous Wisconsin workers, helping them obtain unemployment benefits to support themselves and their families. Please join me in honoring Attorney Victor Forberger.
I want to thank the State Bar, all the people who nominate me, and my family for tolerating all my crazy work hours for this award. This award is because of the many unemployment folks I've been helping, including many disabled workers who have been denied regular unemployment benefits. When the pandemic hit, a host of new unemployment programs were started up, including a new program called Pandemic Unemployment Assistance, or PUA, that was intended for workers for whom regular unemployment benefits were not available. Conversely, Wisconsin initially held that those PUA benefits were not available to disabled workers because of the eligibility ban for regular benefits, the very reason that PUA benefits were created in the first place. Luckily, leadership of the Department of Workforce Development listened to reason and reversed course from what staffers were saying. By late July 2020, PUA benefits were finally available to disabled workers. But the struggles for disabled workers to receive their PUA benefits did not end. New obstacles have appeared through new tests and changes in how the department administers the claim filing process. For instance, despite state unemployment law holding that disabled workers are able and available for work that is less than 32 hours a week, as long as they work to what their disabilities allow, the Department of Administrative Law judges are holding that disabled workers are automatically disqualified if they ever work less than 32 hours in a week. So disabled workers continue to struggle. They have lost jobs and have waited for unemployment benefits. Far too many are still waiting on benefits now in May of 2021, after having lost work in March or April of 2020. Even those that have received their PUA benefits, far too many have had to avoid eligibility traps during the claim filing process, or at their hearings, or just to find ways to cope with the waiting. Numerous cases concerning simple questions about these disabled workers losing their jobs when their employers closed because of the pandemic. Their claims were denied despite their obvious eligibility for PUA benefits. And so they waited months for hearings to state the obvious. They lost work when their employers closed because of the pandemic. That waiting was torture for more than a few. Some have sold their furniture. Food banks and rental assistance are life-saving. Some have fallen into the trap offered by payday lenders. Wisconsin invented unemployment benefits so as to provide immediate and needed financial assistance at times of massive job loss. It has failed. Representation in these unemployment hearings has been crucial to turning the situation for these disabled workers around. Cases are being won and payments have gone out. The Secretary's office, the department, has been especially helpful in speeding up the scheduling of emergency matters so as to prevent evictions or worse. Mothers and their children have celebrated the December holidays in their own home. Family pets have not been abandoned. Cars have finally been fixed. Still, the problems of the unemployment system continue and in some ways are getting worse. If these trends are not turned around, I may well be up for this award next year. So I urge all of you to get involved in this unemployment crisis and give me some competition. There's plenty of work to do. Thank you.